I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a very tricky and important question based on addition of cubes. We need to evaluate square root of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube so on till 10 cube. Four options are given to you. You can pause the video, answer the question and then look into my suggestion. Now I'm going to tell you a method so that you could actually extend this series to n cube. Do you understand? So we could do something like this with the help of the solution which I'm going to provide to you. Now let's try to analyze sum of cubes. So we'll try to analyze sum of cubes. So let's begin with what is 1 cube plus 2 cube? Well, 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. And when you add it up, you get 9. Perfect. Now if I do 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, what do I get? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, and 3 cube will add 27 to it, right? So that means to 9, I have to add 27, correct? So 9 plus 27 is what? 36. Okay. Now let me extend this series and write down here 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. And what should that be equal to? So in this series, I basically added one more number, which is 4 cube. And 4 cube is 64, right? So if I add 64 to 36, I get 100. And likewise, we can continue, correct? But on the other hand, we notice something very interesting. What do we notice? These are perfect squares, right? So 9 is 3 square and this is 4 square. And what about 100? 100 is, sorry, this is 6 square and 100 is 10 square, right? 100 is 10 square. Now these numbers 3, 6 and 10, do they remind you of something? These numbers are sum of natural numbers. Very important, right? So these numbers 1 plus 2 is 3, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. That means what we get here basically is first term is, we could write this as 1 plus 2 whole square. Do you see that? And 6 could be written as 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square. And 10 could be written as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 whole square and so on. So if I go from, let's say, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on till n cube, in that case, what I get here will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till n whole square. That is what we get. And sum of natural numbers is a standard formula, right? This standard formula everybody knows, that is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. So the answer is square of all this. Sum of natural numbers. Do you see that? So we get sum of natural numbers. Let me write n, where n equals to 1 to 1 to n, let's say. And we want to square it to get this sum of cubes. Perfect. So that is what you get, right? So now to get the solution of our question, which is sum of cubes from 1 to 10, what do you think is the answer? Now it's very clear, correct? Okay, so basically this is equal to square of sum of 10 numbers, right? So sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till 10 whole square. And we want to do square root of this, correct? Square root and square cancels and we get what here? We get 10 times 11 over 2, which is 55. You get an idea, right? So the answer is 55. So if you have a general series as we took here till n, in that case the answer will be if I extend it till n, then the answer will be n times n plus 1 over 2, correct? And with a square root, of course, right? So that square root and square cancels, and we get that sum of natural numbers as the solution of this particular question. Now this question is very important. You can see it in many competitive exams for good universities entrance, especially in US. So I hope that helps you to get at least one question right. Feel free to write your comments and share your views, and if you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.